Greetings everyone, it's Patrick Oborn, co-founder of Telarus. I'm here to talk to you today about our newest provider, For2Fi. You've probably never heard of For2Fi. They're a brand new vendor making huge waves in the 4G LTE space. In fact, they've recently launched a product called For2Fi Plus Unlimited. And that means unlimited 4G LTE access to anywhere that the pink network can reach. We have been privileged today to be given one of the three routers. They offer Cradle Points. They offer the Cradle Point 850, 1600, and 2200. This is a Cradle Point 1600 that they've sent to us just so that we could show you in a live demo just how easy it is. So after you order your For2Fi service from your Telarus partner, your customers in 2 to 3 business days are going to receive their router. Whether it's a multi-site customer or single-site customer, these things ship and come pre-programmed. Pre-programmed is key because when your customer gets this, what they're going to do is they're going to open it up, just like I'm going to show you, literally install the antennas and plug it in, and they're going to have unlimited 4G service. So let's give it a shot. What do you say? So we take it out. We have our Cradle Point 1600 looking great. We also have probably the two most critical pieces, which are the paddles. Now, these aren't paddles. These are actually 4G antennas that install on the outside. We install these antennas and plug it in, and we're good to go. So let's get after it. Once our antennas are up and ready to go, that was pretty fast, then we just connect it to the power unit. Once you have everything plugged in, you'll know that you're ready to go when your 1600 has 4 blue bars across here. When those 4 magic lights light up, that means you are ready for your unlimited 4G LTE experience, and you are connected to the network with internet access. Once that happens, you are then ready to go over to your laptop or whatever device and start connecting to this Wi-Fi network. When I come over here to my computer, I notice that Telarus 2.4 is now an available network. That network was pre-programmed by the good folks at For2Fi so that when it arrived, my SSID, which is the name of my network, Telarus 2.4, was already established, and the password for the Wi-Fi is written right here on the router itself. So your customers aren't going to call you with questions, what's my password, I can't set this up. It's all out of the box, just plug and play. When I come over here and I connect to it, you'll see that I have a great connection, and I actually can run a speed test. And I just ran the speed test right now, 22 by 5. And again, that's 22 by 5. Typical speeds range from 20, 22, all the way up to 50, just depending on the signal. Again, you can improve that signal with an antenna. You can plug an external antenna in here and basically extend these antennas and grab more signal from the T-Mobile network. You can also order from For2Fi a wireless access point. And the wireless access point basically takes the signal from the router and multiplies it and expands it throughout your office. So there's a different router for your customers' different situations. Again, it's $199 a month. It's bargain basement prices for this kind of speed with 2-second, and best but not least, there's no contract. This is all month to month. Your customers can come in. Proof of concepts are more than welcome. And for multi-site locations where you just have to have a guest Wi-Fi area, for employees that just need to work at home remote, or for your emergency turnups where your cable or fiber circuits fail, this is a great solution. Thanks for watching, everyone. We're excited that you took the time to learn more about For2Fi. Again, For2Fi is exclusive with Telarus. Give us a call. We will get you started selling this. Believe me, your customers are gonna want it. You're gonna want it. It's one of the coolest products that we've ever had. Thank you so much, and take care.